Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over some of the reporting tools features up top in your right-hand corner that you're going to see when you actually run reports and take stuff out of your rucksack, or anytime you run a report, this report tool up there is generally up there. Now, some of the options that might be available to you change from time to time, but I'm going to go over some of the more basic functions of what you're looking for. Some of these I actually don't know, so if somebody can make a YouTube video and explain like what this little apply save command filter does, or what this export aggregate to Excel for current and child commands. If you can explain to me what exactly that does, it'd be greatly appreciated. Or if at the very least, if you can reply in the comments, and so that I can get educated by other people. That's exactly why I'm making these videos. I'm trying not to, my best not to expose any OPSEC information. So as I make these, but I think if we all made videos like this and explained some stuff that was going on, maybe stuff that you know that I don't, we can all share information and just be better soldiers and better leaders. Okay, so let's get into it over here. This first thing I'm going to talk about is this little save button. That will save the report inside of your rucksack exactly as it is. Now, in prior videos, we talked about the base report, where we made a custom report with just the unit, the UIC, and the soldier's name. Well, if you're using that report and then you turn around and you add new dimensions to it, like APFT, pass, fail, height and weight, RCAM, RFRAM, etc. Well, if you click that, it's going to change your base report to give you that report. So if you're utilizing your base report, you don't want to save over your base report that just has your names. Otherwise, you're no longer going to have just your names. So instead, when you use your base report, you want to click this little two of these, two disk icons, and that's kind of like a save as feature. The best way that I can explain it is that if you open up a document in Microsoft Word, and then you make changes to that document, what ends up happening when you click the save button is you lose your prior work, what was originally filed. So you'd lose that. Well, if you use the save as, then it becomes an entirely new file. So that's what that happens there. You're going to create a whole new file, and your base report is going to remain unchanged. Okay, so next up we got the email. Let's just say you created a report. You're going to be, this is going to have it emailed directly to you on the spot. So if your commander wanted the APFT dates and pass fails, boom, you hit that button and it emails it to you, and you just forward it to your commander. Unfortunately, CSMM hasn't created a way to email directly to somebody, which really should be a feature that should be in here, and I hope to see that on a later version release. Okay, the next one, which is called subscribe to this report. And personally, I have subscribed to many reports, and they all come to me on the first of the month. And I recommend subscribing to reports on the first of the month. This way, you're not getting reports on the 28th day of the month, or whenever. The first of the month is always good, so that you can pull it and you use it for the rest of the month. Whereas if you pull it on the 28th day, it just doesn't work out the same way, or the 15th day just doesn't work out the same way. I prefer the first of the month. That's stylistically my choice. Just up to you. Now, you can subscribe to a report on a daily, on a weekly, bi-weekly, and a monthly basis. Totally up to you on how often you need the information. But CSMM is going to email the report right to you at whatever frequency you want it. So if you want a report every single day, and you made a report, CSMM is going to turn around and send that right to you every single day, if that's what you want. Or it'll send it to you weekly or bi-weekly or monthly. Totally your choice. But you're subscribing to whatever the report that you made, and you can subscribe to any of these reports that you make. Next one is the export data to Excel, kind of pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is click that button, and it's going to send it to Excel. The next thing that you have to do, here's another one that I don't understand, is the export aggregate to Excel for current and child commands. Maybe somebody can explain that to me in the comments, or create a YouTube video. That'd be great. The next one is export CSV. Some people want to use CSV file versus Excel. This is your report builder. I think we beat that dead horse down. This is your your print report. So you hit that print report, and it's just going to come up with an option to print it. This takes you back. And honestly, I'm not exactly sure what some of these other ones do. So if somebody else wants to make a YouTube video, I don't know what FQ means, data for fact metrics. I guess maybe that you got the question marks here. If you want help on it, again, help and email notification. So that's basically, just a couple of the tools that I know about. Again, guys, if you guys know exactly what some of this stuff does or can make these videos better, please go ahead, make your own video, make them better. That's in this way, maybe one day I'll be learning from you. Either which way, I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial on CSMM, and I hope it helped you, and I hope to help your chain of command. Thank you very much. Have a good day.